All right, Jack, tell us a little bit about this Golf R.
Alright, so the first thing I have is this SMD cold air intake. Then behind it over here, we got a diverter valve plus from Go Fast Fits. And then right below that, we got an APR turbo inlet pipe. Right here, we got the integrated engineering 3-inch downpipe. And then up front, we got the APR intercooler. We got some upgraded brake kits on the front and the rear. They're both EBC red stuff brakes. Gives you a lot more bite than the stock brakes do. Stock brakes are still great though on the R. I got some mud flaps. I got radar detector, and that's pretty much it.
Awesome. Cool, I think it's about time to go for a little zip.
Alright, sounds good.
I think once you clear this once you get to the fresh pavement.
Do you want me to do launch control right here?
Yeah, do it.
Actually, no, that's gonna fly off, so.
Yeah, launch control after all, so.
Put the windows down so you can really hear it.
Yep. Oh man.
That's 65.
good.
Yeah.
Wow, so yeah, I think stage 2, what do they claim, like 3.6? 3.6, yeah.
I don't see any cars coming.
It shifts pretty quick.
Yeah, I don't have the transmission tune actually.
Going straight. Oh, you don't?
No.
Oh, huh.
So you can just hear the turbo right there.
Yeah, yep. That's good sound. So, do you have the revised APR crackle tune?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the aggressive file over the soft one?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I can definitely tell.
Very aggressive.
It's very snappy. You can hear it just through the
back windows. You'll really
That's
hear.
yeah. You can get the DSG pops too.
Yeah.
Sounds so good.
And if I do it at 4,000 RPMs,
Yep.
it's like
That's the sweet spot.
that's the sweet spot.
Yeah, and you just keep modulating.
Like if I
the
go
throttle.
right up to here and then I let off.
Yep.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
It's crazy.
Imagine this thing with a catback with
Oh
a
my
3-inch. That would be insane.
Yeah, no. If I put a catback on this thing, it would be so loud.
Yeah.
I don't need it though.
Yeah, no, it's already pretty noisy.
It's already so loud.
Another guy. It was an E30 mixed A3.
I've seen that video. I feel like.
There was a pretty popular video, like 350 horsepower. Yeah, this thing is
You can really
so
hear
cool.
the turbo breathe. You can really hear the turbo breathe.
Yep. I'm gonna definitely say like the biggest difference from this car feeling versus my cars, with that tune you get that power really, and the torque way lower down, and it's just consistent, it keeps pulling.
Yeah, torque in the second gear specifically is crazy.
Yeah. No, it's definitely a
in
hoot.
second gear I'm getting over 400 pounds-feet of torque.
Yeah, I believe it.
It's crazy.
This thing is fun as hell, and it'll be interesting to get your reaction from my Golf R too, for sure.
I only drove my car for like 10 to 15,000 miles before I went stage 1.
Right.
So I do not remember really what a stage 1 Golf is like.
Yeah. That's a cool color in that GTI. This thing sounds insane, and when it warms up, I bet it gets louder.
Oh yeah. If it's like 5 minutes after starting is when it's like
Yep.
really loud.
I believe that. It's such a cool sound.
Yeah, dude. It's not. I wouldn't even call it burbles. It's just crackles.
Right. All right, well, this thing was an absolute hoon. I want to thank Jack for coming out, and yeah, this thing was awesome. Definitely, I think our recommendation, everyone needs a Golf.
Yeah, everyone needs a Golf at some point, either a GTI or an R.
Yeah,
but
for sure.
Everyone needs to own a Golf.
Yeah, no, they're awesome.
And if you're in the market to buy a car, go to Volkswagen, just test drive one.
Yeah, test drive one, and And if you buy one, if you end up buying one, probably tune it because you'll love it even more.
Yeah.
And this thing makes me want to tune my car. Maybe that'll happen sometime soon. So
Hopefully.
So I think I'll end it there. I want to, of course, thank Jack for coming out again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.